Hi, I'm located in the Silicon Valley, San Francisco area. So, what's the best way for me to invest in real estate so that I'll have a cash flow? Because the properties around here in the Bay Area, especially the Silicon Valley, San Jose side, they are pretty much very high in value. So, you won't get any cash flow, but you would get appreciation. But my goal is to get cash flow. Thank you.
Well, Rovan, I'm going to tell you right now, you shouldn't. I mean, this is my personal opinion. You should not be investing in California. Okay. California is perhaps the worst state in the country to invest in real estate, the least friendly landlord state in the country. And particularly of all areas in California, the Bay Area. Like, if I had to pick the worst place and the worst area in all of the United States to invest in real estate, you just named it. So you're not going to find the cash flow. Absolutely not. Stay away, stay away, stay away. All I'm going to say is book a call with our team, Rovan. Book a call with our team at Morris Invest. We will help you out of state. That's what we do. We have brand new construction properties in Texas. That's our main market. We have multiple markets in Texas. We're talking Odessa, Midland, Lubbock, and other areas as well. In some of the best appreciating long-term tenant-based healthcare, low crime, low vacancy rate, great school districts. Please give us a call. We will help you with that, okay? And it's fully managed with our team, our property management teams, and we'll take care of it. For you to be looking for properties, and I imagine if you've got the cash and you've got that situation, you'd be able to buy multiple properties in Texas rather than just trying to find one crappy one in California that's not even going to provide cash flow for you. So that's all I'm going to say about that. Don't even think about investing in California. Internally, we looked actually, and the number of investors that we work with at Morris Invest that are from California, it's like over 50%. Over 50% of the people that buy properties with us through our team, it's from California, because California is just that awful. So again, I can't say anything more about that. Please book a call with us and we'll take care of you and guide you in the right direction. If you have any questions related to financing, real estate, taxes, motivation, financial freedom, it all doesn't matter. You can go to our website at morrisinvest.com, click on the little microphone icon and leave us a voicemail message. And of course, while you're there, we have tons of great resources on our website. You can book a call with our team for free if you're ready to actually buy a full service rental piece of real estate. That's what our team does. Build brand new construction from the ground up, working with our property management teams, placing a great tenant in the property and cash flowing as part of your rental portfolio. So that's what we do, but we have tons of great blog resources and all sorts of other things on our website. So MORRIS invest.com is the place to go. And we will see you next time, everyone. Take care.